All right, everybody, here we go in the refrigerator. Hopefully I get a good angle. Alrighty, these 510s are cool. I let out some air out of the tires, they feel a lot better. Out of the Maxi Faster guy. First downhill action since my accident. Feeling alright. The refrigerator at Hart Park, Bakersfield, California. Woo, that was wide. Here we go, baby. Remember that GoPro effect? Things are always steeper than they actually look on camera. Oh, here we go. Alright, not bad for my first downhill run after my accident. Ooh, almost washed out. A little bit nervous, but it worked out. Thank you, Jesus.